I'm John Robeson. I'm here in the infield shops and we're looking at this 1974 Ferrari 308 GT4 from the Boch collection. I know if you're accustomed to how 308s look from the Big Chill and Magnum PI and all those shows that made them famous, this one doesn't look much like that because it's all taken apart, but when it's back together, it's going to be one of the best of its kind. Do you want to show us what's
Sure.
What's done recently?
I'll start off by saying, so we found some corrosion underneath this panel right here. So we decided and talked about it to remove it. In that, sandblasted it, treated it underneath, and then reinstalled it. In the process, I had to fit the hood, fit the windshield, and now I'm fitting the fenders to it. So it was kind of a complex area.
And this car is also a complex mix of steel, aluminum,
right,
and fiberglass, right?
And then in that, yeah, we got into the fenders and the process of fitting these, rebuilding part of this, and basically going right around the fender completely, starting at the bottom. On this one, I started right in here.
And we had, had rust damage all along here.
Yep.
I can see where you've been repairing that.
And then inside of that goes these components as well. That holds it to the car, so it's a complex part.
And none of this stuff can be bought, so you've got to make it all.
This is part of the lower fender right here that we started making. We're going to get back into it and install that. But yeah, both fenders need to be fitted to that as well, and then we can weld them all on together. So it's all part of it.
Do we have anything in the back there? We have the don't we have the rockers going together there?
We do. I didn't know if you had that already. But
I don't.
So the last time he was in, you had the rockers.
We had them on the bench, right?
They were made, but they were not together.
They're all installed now. This panel here is removable for the time being. We're going to treat all this inside. Then this will get spot welded in.
Now we should point out that when these cars were built, this was bare metal. This wasn't treated in any way, and
that was one of the reasons they rotted so bad.
They rotted, yeah.
Yeah, there's like 3 or 4 pieces involved in this whole thing. There's an outer, the sill, and then this inner plate.
And then the innermost structure.
Right here as well.
And there's also this roll cage, this tubular framing below that. Can you lift that away so they can see the tubular frame? Yeah. And that carries right up to the roof. See, it's like a roll cage, and inboard of that is the fiberglass floor.
Yeah. What makes it so challenging is that we have to do this in an order that you cannot change the order. Everything has to go together in such an order in order to make it fit.
And this is unique because the other Ferrari 308s do not have this style of construction. Right. So this is every one of these 308s presents its own challenge in doing the body work, and I think all of us, especially everyone here in Infield, is really proud of being able to do what I think is the best work being done anywhere on these cars.